Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tea rusk at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of semolina, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Also, have ready 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of warm milk, and a small pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade rusks. Now let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients: flour, semolina, sugar, milk powder, cardamom, yeast, and salt. Gradually pour in the melted butter and warm milk, mixing until a soft dough comes together. Knead this dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. Then, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in volume. After the dough has risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Shape it into a rectangular loaf and place it into a greased baking pan. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Bake this loaf for about 25 to 30 minutes. It should turn a beautiful golden brown, forming a soft cake-like base for our rusks. Once your baked loaf is completely cool, carefully slice it into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Arrange these slices in a single layer on a baking sheet. Now, reduce your oven temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. Bake the slices for 30 to 45 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This second bake will make your tea rusks wonderfully golden and perfectly crispy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.